Hey guys, this free gift plus free cash from Zepto. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, these were some of the grocery items we have ordered on Zepto recently, and there's a gift box from Zepto on the occasion of Diwali. As you see in the picture, let's go check out what is the free gift from Zepto. This is Chingari Zepto free gift box. So without any delay, we'll see what's there in the box, right? First comes with bingo. This is Korean style. It costs 10 rupees. It is hot and spicy. Okay, let me tell you what is the order value you got to place on Zepto. If you want a free gift box, the order value you got to place is 499 rupees and above, that is 500. Next item, you have this deep cleansing nose strip. As you see in the picture, you can see how the nose strip is and how to use. You can go back and see the sachet. Next item is roll-on. This is Nivea roll-on. This is exclusively for men. It's a cool kick. You can try this underarms if you want to get rid of sweating issues. Okay, not only free gift is available, you got Zepto free cash also after placing the order. Next item, you have this paper boat. This is mango juice. It tastes pleasant and light. You can try. It costs 10 rupees. Next we have multi-grain energy bar. This has no sugar and no preservatives. It's yum and a healthy binge. It is soft and chewable. It costs 50 rupees. Next item, we have this Shri organic brown sugar. The price is not mentioned. Of course, if you want a healthy lifestyle and a long life, you go try this brown sugar. Next we have this Akshay Kalpa spicy buttermilk. It costs 30 rupees. No stabilizers added. It tastes good. Next we have this Heritage. This is also spicy buttermilk and it's a sample pack. Therefore there's no price mentioned on this pack. Here comes the end of all items in the gift box from Zepto. It's interesting. It worth more than 150 rupees. Now we'll see how to place the order on Zepto if you want a free gift box plus Zepto free cash. Let's see. Go to Zepto app. As you see in the picture, right on the home screen, you will see this free Diwali gift box. You can click on that and you have the offers for Diwali. You can add to cart if you want, or you can come back and check out flash deals as shown in the video. If you want any of these products, you can add to cart. Okay, you have all categories here on Zepto being added. As you see in the picture, from A to Z shopping you can go for Zepto. You have jewelry. You can add to cart if you want. Once you add to cart all the items, you can click on cart. Okay, once you click on cart, you see here a Zepto Diwali gift box would be added to the cart as shown in the video. Now you got to apply the coupon. You have cashback, and after placing the order you can also avail Zepto free cash, but this is user specific. Okay, here you can see the items you get a discount if you increase your order value. Okay, now you can apply the coupon here. You can click on coupons And see, you have plenty of coupons here. You can apply to get the cashback or discount. Here we have applied cred. If you have cred, you can go for it. Now you can place your order by clicking on click to pay and place your order on Zepto with a free gift box plus Zepto free cash and also cashback, right? Here comes the end of the video. Did you like the free gift? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Do subscribe. Don't forget. Keep smiling.